trout up in the mountains. Throwing all kinds of lures, using worms, salmon eggs. Nothing seems to be working except for garlic scented power bait. Who would have thought, way up in the mountains? See if we can get us another big one. Another nice one, another tank. Let's freaking go. Another tank. That's 2 in a row. That one's even bigger. He's even bigger, guys. Do you see this fish right here? Do you see how beautiful that is? He's alive, guys. Yes. Don't usually leave the camera running unless something cool happens. But it's so beautiful here. First of all. Second of all, last time I had the camera on, both times I caught the biggest 2 fish I've caught today. Can't beat this. Cannot beat this. Everybody else is hiking. This is calling my name. So shallow all the way through here, 16 inches, and all of a sudden right up here, just about maybe 15-20 feet to my left in front of this drop over here, it just drops straight off, probably close to 10 feet in the middle. All right, let's see if I can get another one. Now that I know there's big ones down there, they bite so slight that I can barely even feel them. Next thing you know, it's swallowed. I literally have not casted to a different area the entire time I've been here. Same spot every single cast. Don't fix it if it ain't broken. On the reel. I was just trying to bring it in. Another decent fish. It's probably pretty dang hard for as small as they are too. He's not small by any means up here. That's a good fish, but he's probably gonna cut my dang line. There you go, buddy. Just another beautiful brook trout. Get him back in. Good, swim off. Almost out of bait. So I think I'm just going to keep you licking it until I run out. I'm going to hike back down and tell all my stories. I wasn't planning on filming an actual episode today, but I'm starting to like my chances. The last 3 have been the biggest 3 of the day. I venture to say that the middle one, probably about a pound. I'd say so. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Waterfall to my right there, and then another big one up there. Same spot every time. Little guy. Just a little guy. So these are what I've been catching for most of the day. Ouch. Up until those last 3. There he goes. I think that might be like 10, 11. I'm not sure. I'd like to catch another big one though. One more for it though. That lady stopped by. I guess she had pretty hard of hearing, and I just told her to be careful, and she said, "There's a bear?" No, ma'am, there's no bear. I'm just about as hairy as one, but no bear. Let's see if I can find my people. Kind of feels like I'm on top of the world a little bit. Check out the views. They're somewhere up there. I mean, I don't feel like hiking up there to find them. So they can just find me when they come back down. I gotta go to the bathroom.